In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Coinbase to Shopify. Whether you're expanding your payment options or just diving into the world of cryptocurrency, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to ensure that you have a Coinbase Commerce account set up and ready. Coinbase Commerce is an integral part of this process because it is what enables Shopify to accept cryptocurrency payments. Signing up is straightforward. Simply visit the Coinbase Commerce website and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Once your account is in place, make sure you're logged in and navigate to your account settings. Next, we need to generate an API key from Coinbase Commerce, which is essential for the integration with Shopify. Go to the API settings in your Coinbase Commerce account. Here, you'll find the option to create a new API key. Be sure you note down this key somewhere safe, as you'll need it later, and for security reasons, it's the type of information you don't want to lose. Once you've secured your API key, we're heading over to your Shopify admin. Within the Shopify dashboard, locate and click on the Settings tab followed by Payments. On the Payments page, you'll find a section for additional payment methods. This is where we'll introduce Coinbase as an option. In the Additional Payment Methods section, click to add a new payment method. You'll be prompted to enter the API key you got from Coinbase Commerce. Carefully input the key into the designated field and then save your changes. With the API key saved, Coinbase should now appear as an available payment method in your Shopify store. This means your customers will be able to select cryptocurrency as a payment option during checkout, adding flexibility to their shopping experience and yours. To ensure everything is running smoothly, I recommend running a test transaction yourself. Visit your store as a customer would, select an item, and proceed to the checkout page. Here, confirm that Coinbase appears as a payment choice. If you can make a successful test transaction, you know the integration is complete. Keep in mind, offering Coinbase as a payment method not only caters to the growing number of cryptocurrency users out there but also gives your store a modern and forward-thinking edge. It's a great way to diversify your payment options and potentially attract a new audience who prefers using digital currencies. And there you have it, a seamless way to connect Coinbase to Shopify and offer a cutting-edge payment solution to your customers. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insightful how-tos.